Kids Zone with Trishy.
Hi friends, do you want to make some pretend ice cream? Okay, let's do it.
This is the ice cream scooper to scoop up the ice cream. This is the ice cream cup. This is a chocolate ice cream cone, and here's the vanilla ice cream cone. We have so many ice cream scoop choices. Which one shall we pick first? Let's do the mint chocolate chip. Shall we put some toppings on it? Which one? Shall we do the rainbow sprinkles? Okay. It looks so delicious. Let's pretend to eat it. Next, let's use our cup for an ice cream scoop. Which scoop would you like? How about the vanilla? Can you say vanilla? Now, let's pick a topping for our vanilla scoop. Which one shall we pick? Strawberry? Chocolate sprinkles? Chocolate fudge? Here's the strawberry again. Caramel? Whipped cream with a cherry on top? Okay, let's do this one. It looks delicious. Now let's do our chocolate cone. The chocolate one. Which flavor shall we pick next? Let's pick the chocolate one with different flavored chips in it. What's next, my friends? Yes, let's pick a topping. Which one shall we pick? Let's pick the strawberry one. That looks delicious. Would you like to make one more ice cream? Can you say yes? Thank you. Yes. Let's use the vanilla cone. Which scoop of ice cream shall we pick first? All right, let's do the mint chocolate chip again. How about we count? 1 scoop of ice cream. Which one shall we do next? Let's do the strawberry. 2. Let's try to get as many scoops as we can without it falling over. Let's do chocolate. 3. The next one will be vanilla with chocolate chips. Yummy. 4. Let's do the vanilla scoop. 5. Do you think we could fit more? Okay, let's do the chocolate with all the flavored chips in it. 6. Should we do more? Okay, say yes. Thank you. Let's try, what flavor? We have 2 left. Do you see the coffee? Coffee flavor.
7. Oh boy, that's a big ice cream cone. We have one flavor left. It's a vanilla flavor with chips in it. 8. 8. 8.